cheveux à battre sous des.
Grand bout.
Grand goût.
Un grand goût.
Yeah.
Grand goût.
Hello guys. Il fait 5 heures. Ouais, qui doit le faire là? Il fait 5h15. Ouais? Oh, 5h16. On est vu là. On sauter. On sauter. Quand on doit sauter, nous pas qu'à tourner dormir. Ma tourner dormir, mais beaucoup pour dire. M'a détiré. M'a regardé ancien vidéo mieux. Vidéo Canada mieux. Cause me songe Canada guys. Mon ne pas voulu quitter MONTRE parce que me pas vacciné. Regarde vidéo ça, regardez. Alright guys, m'a attendre les jours, m'a pas tourner dormir encore et then pour me commencer vlog là. You're not gonna understand anything. Hello guys, bienvenue sur channel moi encore. So je dis avec ZANMI nous allons faire cheveux. Nous allons faire cheveux. And then nous allons acheter cheveux en Kounia là. You wanna say hi?
Hi. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Nous allons aller Florida. Ouais. Nous allons aller. Yeah, nous allons aller Florida. I wish I could go with her, but I can't. Hello.
How are you?
Yeah. No. What is it? I think that one up there. I gotta say passion twist. Ok, il va y avoir cheveux que les besoins, hein, cause les besoins cheveux ça. Les besoins cheveux ça. Pareil cheveux me mettre dans la tête moi, but les besoins blonde là-dedans. So il va y avoir blonde là-dedans.
Come on, bro, move. You're in the wrong lane. Like, okay, yeah. So I was saying, I got a Fashion Nova order for this trip, and what I would do, like, I would try on the stuff, like, go like doing that, you know.
Yeah.
But like, I don't know. I just feel like I don't even got time to do that.
Yeah, you wouldn't be consistent. Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Consistency.
Because you used to post on your Instagram, you don't do that anymore.
I know, I don't really. I mostly on Snapchat. But it's got cold out. She's on the first side.
I don't see it. I don't know why that's small like that.
Oh yeah, passion. Look. Is this bigger?
No, it's this one. I don't like that one.
Is this the same?
Yeah.
But what do you
You
think?
want to do this? Or that?
What do you think will look good?
I like this one.
You think it'll look good?
This one? Just know it's gonna be. Thank you. But if you get that one, just know it's gonna be mixed with your hair color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it'll
So
look
it'll
like
be
good, like.
Yeah. Yeah, but they, I don't think they have a lot. They only have 4.
How many packs are there?
She's
She's doing it, so I guess she knows. So how many packs should I get? 5?
get 6, just in case, cause this is small.
Okay.
Do you want them big or small?
Like medium. Not like, I don't want them too big, like too heavy, you know what I'm saying? Like kind of like the picture I showed you. And this is like the color.
Yeah.
So I think it'll look good, yeah.
Yeah, 6 should be fine. So, nous jeunes cheveux, guys.
Is this different?
La brossa. Oh, let me see that one.
That looks good.
Ah, actually, I like this one because you need long. No?
Right? Yeah,
Oh,
I do
yeah.
want long.
Get this one.
Look right here.
Yeah, that one is better. Do you like the color though?
I do. It kind of looks like the same.
Yes.
Kind of looks like mine. Like
Yeah.
natural.
Yeah, sure. But is it more money? Let me see. Could you check for the price, please? Thank you. So yeah, nous arrivons dans l'autre store. Les jeunes cheveux à les besoins.
They have that.
Yeah, you wanna try that? I mean, if that's really what you wanna do, because it's gonna go with your skin.
Is it gonna look good, you think?
It's gonna be mixed with your hair color
Like on the top only.
on the top.
And then it'll be like
Yeah.
blonde.
Look at it on Google just to see. Oh, look at those lashes. Yeah, got the lashes out. You don't like those crazy ones? I like this one. Okay,
Thank you. Off we go.
Off we go.
We're from London.
Show them which one you got. So she's getting this one.
Don't judge me. I'm like, don't judge me.
We're about to pay. Je vais chercher téléphone moi, parce que j'ai oublié téléphone moi dans store que nous allé. Premier store nous allé hein. J'ai oublié téléphone moi me déposer l'autre côté, so on va chercher le kounya. Oh my god, il a me quitté téléphone moi. My god. That's cute.
I kind of messed up, not with this one, with the other one. A little bit, but like, and then after we're gonna put the full product.
Yeah, but the first one, I like the first one. No, this one wants to fight. What is she fighting? Okay, fini. She's done. Look at her here. Cheve abattu there. We gotta clean up. We gotta nettoyer.
Yes, we do.
Two. We gotta laquer. Oh, remember I was gonna teach you how to speak Creole.
I know.
A little bit.
I need to.
You gotta ask me what you wanna know.
I love my hair. How do I say that?
Moi mes cheveux.
Moi meche.
Moi
Moi
remets
veme
cheveux.
chemin.
Cheveux.
Chevel.
Yeah. Oh, you're good.
Moi veme
Cheveux. Oh, remember? Remember Ngangou? I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember? Ngangou. Ngangou. Ngangou.
Bigambu.
Ngangou.
Ngangu.
Yeah.
Ngangu.
Yeah, the way you said it. I know.
Oh my God.
It is hard. It is. miroir clean, guys. Ça est mangé le acheté. En Chinese food le acheté. Ok guys, zami mna ale comme nou ka wè, mwen la pou kont mwen. So yeah, so ma fè mè ti vlog sa la. Guys, je diya, tèt mwen batre men je diya mèm, paske se nan presse mte fè cheve, mbat mèm mette pli la dan, bat fè make-up mwen, nothing. Zami mne pase prem la pou ma lache cheve an, sa m'avel paske kote mte vouye la lache cheve an, te ferme. So, yeah, mde oblige a presse, ba fè anyen nan visaj mwen, ba fè anyen nan tèt mwen. Just fure perik la nan tèt mwen. Yeah, ti zanmi sa, son ti zanmi mte al l'ekol an sa mavel. Nou zanmi lontan, but mne just, you know, mbote ko montre lan vlog la. Paske nou pa telman hang out souvan, paske li bagen tan, son dento asistant tou. Li son asistant dentaire tou. Yeah, nou va hang out souvan paske nou bagen tan, paske li son dento assistant, li travay full time tou. So yeah, je di la, li mande m fè cheve sa pou li depi lontan, depi mwa pase. Mna del bral Florida, mardi si Dieu veut, so, you know, m fè cheve, m fè sakrifis sa pou li. Mwen mèm depi m di oui, c'est oui. Paske m de gen ta promet li ke m ta fèl. Cheve, mwen kon fè cheve, but cheve se pa m bagay mwen fè. Just paske li pran tan. E mwen m son moun bagay pasyans, so depo a m fè cheve, like, konen mwen moun. Paske son bagay vreman bagay mwen fè. Men ok, en tout ka, ma fè men vlog lan la, guys. Si tu la deja, bay ti video sa an like, and si se pa so pase, bay ti video sa an like. Pa bliye abonye avèk chanel lan. Sou fè pati de beauties yo, deja, mersi an pil. En sou pou kon fè pati de beauties yo, klike abonye pou ka fè pati de beauties yo. Aktuellement, mwen pral kouri edit video sa pou nou pou m lage paske yè te samedi, jeudi dimanche. Yè samedi m bat lage an yè pou nou du tout. So, yè m pral kouri edit li la. Ok, bye beauties.